Nilfisk is a well-known brand for its high-performing and durable pressure washers. With the Nilfisk P200, the brand offers a high-end model designed for heavy-duty home use. This is a sturdy and powerful device designed to tackle the toughest dirt on various surfaces, from driveways to facades and patios. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient device for advanced home use, then this model might just be the one for you. Just a reminder that the link is in the description. Right out of the box, the Nilfisk P200 makes an impression with its size and weight. At 30 kilograms, it's definitely heavier than the lower-end models. Its design is sturdy, with quality finishes and a reinforced chassis that inspires confidence. Its 15-meter hose, much longer than the Nilfisk P200, offers great freedom of movement. It's perfect for covering large areas without having to constantly move the device around. The integrated reel makes it easy to store the hose, although the rewind knob is made of plastic, which could be an area for improvement. The P200 also features ergonomic handles, an integrated cable reel, and large diameter wheels that make it easy to move, despite its considerable weight. The buses are made of metal, which is a marked improvement over the more affordable model, and it offers convenient storage space for accessories, including a 1-liter foam bottle, which is handy for applying cleaning products. Its induction motor ensures increased durability, which is a key factor for a machine in this range. With a pressure of 200 bar, the Nilfisk P200 ranks as one of the most powerful pressure washers designed for home use. Its induction motor not only guarantees constant power, but also better longevity compared to the universal motor often taken on the entry-level models. 2 nozzles are included, a turbo nozzle ideal for stripping very dirty surfaces and a 20-degree flat nozzle, gentler but still effective. This duo allows easy adaptation depending on the type of cleaning desired. The addition of a pressure adjustment feature is a great asset, allowing you to tweak the power based on the surface and avoid damaging more delicate materials. Another strong point of the Nilfisk P200 is its foam reservoir, which allows detergents to be applied before cleaning. However, the dosage is not always optimal and could be improved with the addition of a better quality third-party foam nozzle. This device also features an advanced filtration system, which extends the lifespan of the motor by preventing impurities from entering the water circuit. Right from the first uses, you can feel the power of the Nilfisk P200. Whether it's for cleaning a car, a patio, a stone wall, or outdoor furniture, its impressive pressure effectively removes embedded dirt. On a car, using foam is effective. It's important to adjust the pressure properly to avoid a jet that's too powerful. For paving stones or concrete, the results are spectacular. The foam combined with the turbo jet can restore a surface in just a few minutes. A significant time saver. A particularly useful accessory is the patio brush, which enhances efficiency on large surfaces and helps prevent excessive splashing. This device really stands out in this category, allowing you to significantly cut down on work time. The 15-meter hose length also means you don't have to constantly move the device around, which really boosts the comfort of use. Compared to inferior models like the Nilfisk C125, which offers 125 bar of pressure, the difference is noticeable and can be clearly felt in use. The extra 60% power allows for a reduction of approximately 50% in cleaning time, which is a considerable gain, significant especially for heavily soiled surfaces. Build quality is also a distinctive feature of the P200. It features a more durable engine and stronger materials, ensuring greater longevity and increased efficiency over the long term. Compared to other brands such as Share or Style, the Nilfisk P200 stands out for its manufacturing quality and its induction motor, which is much more efficient in the long term. However, it remains more expensive than some competing models that offer similar performance, although the latter often come with a shorter hose and a less durable universal motor. The Nilfisk P200 is also quieter than many of its competitors, thanks in part to its induction motor. Nilfisk P200, a powerful high-pressure cleaner, is ideal for home use. The Nilfisk P200 is a very powerful and well-designed pressure washer aimed at those who want a reliable tool for intensive domestic use. It stands out for its build quality, the length of its hose, its impressive pressure, and its durable motor. But it remains expensive, with a price tag around €600, and its foam cannon could be improved to provide better detergent dosing. Plus, its weight of 30 kilograms makes it less maneuverable than lighter models, although its large wheels and ergonomic handle partially make up for this drawback. If you are looking for a powerful, durable pressure washer and are willing to invest, the Nilfisk P200 is an excellent choice. It's aimed at demanding users who want a high-performing device that can clean deeply and last over time. To see this product in detail, the link is in the description. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product presentations. Thank you, see you soon, ciao ciao.